How's everybody doing? PJ 437 Motorsports. Today we're going to do a walk around finally with my new GMC Sierra Duramax. Don't mind it's dirty. It's been sitting over here in this mess, and it's been raining lately, and starting to get around the fall time here in October with the leaves changing. So leaves are falling all over it. It is dirty. Too lazy to try to wash it up here before I did this video, but sorry about the crunchy leaves. So it's got a 4 or 5 inch straight pipe on it, and they did put a weld-in cat on it. It has been deleted, but it still has the tank. Somebody put some, I believe they're some kind of aftermarket tow mirrors. Truck's out of Florida, so it's got some pretty nice tin on it. Infab steps, which are nice. They've changed out the headlights. Got a LED light. It's got a 7 inch, best I can tell by measuring, ready lift. Suspension lift in it. It's got TIS off-road, 22 by 14 wheels, and it's running 37 1350 22s. These are Toyo Open Countries. I don't know the offset because they came on the truck. I didn't order them, so they poke out a little. Pretty nice. There you can see just how dark the two windows are when you're looking through them. It's got blocks in the back for lift, as you can see there. And the dealership, I believe, painted everything under here black, which is nice because then it looks better. It's got aftermarket taillights in it with the LED strips. And I haven't taken the time to try to stop that. It's got a Fab 4 rear bumper. All steel, is real nice. And a place for your clevises to hook on. Steps. It's got a rhino liner in it. Came with a toolbox. It's got a gooseneck hitch in the bed. Hopefully that shows up on camera. Put some stickers on the back window. Repping a local gun shop, Duramax in America. And my channel up there in the middle and the top. It's got a smoke third brake light also. So it's pretty happy with it. It's got a few dings and dings. It's a 2013. Got leather, beige interior. Not my favorite choice of colors, but I wasn't even a fan of brown trucks when I first seen the brown. I guess that's what they consider as brown. Got the fake wood. See in here. And it's like, I guess like the SLE base model, because it doesn't have the sunroof or navigation. Which I want to upgrade to a Kenwood head unit that takes up both of these sections here. It has the GPS, and I can add on a backup camera because this truck doesn't have that either. Which really needs for the height and the tinted windows at night, which you can see here. This is like eye level camera. See where how tall the truck is. I'm like 5'5", 5'6", so as far as I know, it's a stock Duramax. Like I say, it's got a straight pipe on it. They added a cat back in. It does have a tune. I don't know who tuned it, but it does black smoke when you get on it. And being it is deleted. Now this is the fun part when you're short. As far as I can get the hood up without shoving it. I hope it stays. There's the engine bay. Everything looks to be, you know, where it's supposed to be. I hope to be changing out at some point. I don't know when I'm gonna do it this year or next year, but I want to put I think an S&B cold air intake on it, so that I can help lean it out a little bit with the tune, because it's a little rich in my opinion. When it's climbing a hill with the cruise control on, it'll black smoke till it gets itself caught back up under power. So, but that's the family tow rig. Just wanted to make a quick walk around, introduce it to the channel. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good evening. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications, so you get a notification for my next upload. And I've got a few videos coming so far. I'm getting ready to do some work on it now. So thanks for watching.